In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a Framer creator. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, create a Framer account. Head to Framer's official website and sign up for a free account if you don't already have one. Use an email you check regularly and pick a username that matches your personal or brand identity, because it helps with discoverability. Verify your email and take a moment to explore your account settings. Set a clear display name, add an avatar, and review plan options so you understand any feature differences between free and paid tiers. These small setup steps make later publishing and management smoother. Next, design and build a template inside Framer. Open a new project and focus on building a template that is both visually appealing and practical. Start with a clear purpose. Decide whether this template is for portfolios, small businesses, landing pages, or blog layouts. Use Framer's design tools to create reusable components, consistent spacing, and responsive layouts. Keep your layers and components well named and organized so other users can easily customize the template. Add interactive elements and prototype transitions, where appropriate, to showcase how pages behave in real use. Pay attention to accessibility, typography, and performance. Optimized images, sensible fonts, and clean structure will make your template feel professional. A unique, high-quality design that solves a common problem will be more attractive to buyers or users. When your template is ready, publish it. Open your project in Framer and go to the Publish or Share settings in the interface. Choose the option to publish your work as a template and follow Framer's creator submission guidelines. Prepare a concise, helpful title and a clear description that highlights the template's use cases and key features. Include preview images, a live demo link, and installation or customization notes, so potential users know what to expect. Before you submit, test the template on different screen sizes and fix any layout or interaction issues. After publication, manage and promote your template through the Framer dashboard. Keep your template updated based on user feedback, respond politely to questions, and fix bugs promptly. Use the dashboard analytics to understand downloads and engagement. Promote your template on social media, design communities, and your portfolio site. Share demos, before and after examples, and short walkthrough videos to attract interest. If Framer supports monetization, review the current policies and pricing options to decide whether to sell your template or offer it for free with attribution. With consistent care and promotion, your template can reach a wider audience and become a reliable part of your creator portfolio.